Okay guys, another rainy Tuesday morning. So this video is going to show you our nose over gutter cover system in action. As you can see, it's raining pretty heavily out here right now. So let me actually get up here. Bear with me one second, guys. I'm going to get up here on this roof line and show you what we're dealing with here. This system is a 6-inch gutter system we put in several years back with our nose over gutter cover system. This system's been on this house for, oh, I'd say a good 12 years. So typically where you're going to see the majority of your water coming in is going to be a valley. This is also going to be an area that you're definitely going to want to keep cleaned off. As you can see in this particular valley, we got some pine straw built behind this diverter. It's not much, but give it a little bit more and you could potentially run into a problem as far as water overshooting this corner. These areas here especially are areas that you do want to keep cleaned off. I'll clean that later. But as we walk around here, you can see, guys, the amount of water that's coming off this roof. Here again, raining pretty good. Don't see any overflow whatsoever. We'll come around to the other side of this roof here where there's actually another valley coming in. And there's also a small amount of debris which is around that roof diverter there. So bear with me one second and I'm going to hop down and actually show you how this looks from ground level. And sorry about the camera movement, guys. Bear with me one second. It's kind of hard to shoot a video in the rain, so guys, give us a call if you have any questions. I hope this video helps you. I hope it answers the question as far as overflow and what this product can handle. Thanks for watching.